Hey guys, welcome to season 2, episode 1 of my garden. So here we have a new assistant called Leah Lee. Come.
Hey, there's me.
So he is my brother. He watered my plants before, and also his channel is called Racer Leo Seal. Make sure to subscribe to it. And also, I'm gonna put him in the job of collecting dead leaves and put them in a pile over there.
Okay. So back to my YouTube channel, Racer Leo Seal. I have multiple channels on kid go-karting. So number 1, I went to Redmond before we put those in there. But as soon as Tequila came up, we went there. Well, my friend Elijah Gubin still is in Redmond. But I stay in Tequila now. So now let's go to planting and fertilizer stuff.
So first, Leo, collect dead leaves and put them in the pile over there.
Over here?
Yep.
Okay. So I have a question. Why do we need dead leaves and all those stuff like eggshells in there?
So here we have the green onion plant. There's dead leaves and eggshells and things. And if you are also wondering, that's a great question. It's because they could act as fertilizer. And why are they still there? If it was about a week and a couple of days before I put them in, because it's just residue and fertilizer. So it just takes up the fertilizer and it leaves the residue there.
So I have a question. So all of those are residue there, right? So there's no fertilizer anymore in those, right?
No, we don't know about that because we can't see if there's any more bacteria in there.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Okay, so start collecting leaves.
Ooh, this one is a good one, dude. Look at this.
It's is so dry, which means, and it's very big, so it's a good one. But it doesn't count on how dry it is to be how good it is. But the dryness means how dead it is. So guys, you see this big cucumber over here?
Yeah, and I think it's so big. No way.
So we also have some tomatoes.
Yeah.
When you look at them and the color is a little bit orange, that means it's still a little sour, but I got some tomatoes here.
How about green?
Green. And also, do not eat green tomatoes because those ones have poison inside.
Ooh. So when they're not fully developed, there's poison, so it kills the poison as it grows?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, cool. I've never seen any of plants like that. It does the same rule apply to cucumbers?
No.
Oh, okay.
But cucumbers have spikes. But these ones are very old, but they still have a little bit more spikes. But be careful when you touch the spikes.
Okay, ignore that background noise. It's just some sort of, background noise. My grandparents, they don't know we're recording now. So now we're going to put this.
So first, we have to use my pair of scissors. Come in close, come in close. And then we cut straight off the cucumbers, not the vines. It might damage the plant. And when you grab it, be careful and conscious. It might hurt a bit. The cucumbers can't make you die or anything, but just be careful. They hurt. And also, you come here to tomato plant. See these are tomatoes, and the leaves are like this. But there are some of these kind of leaves called aphids. They're bad for the plant. They're bad for the plant, so then you take them off and use them as fertilizer. so there are leaves in different shapes, which means they are aphids. And if you didn't know what aphids are just extra leaves growing on the plant, so then it takes up nutrients and doesn't grow anything. It's just like somebody that robs a bank of nutrients. And also, Leo's doing a good job collecting these leaves.
Yeah, I might be a bit slow on progress. And people be like, dude, why are you so slow?
Because sometimes I am slow. I'm sometimes
Focus on perfection rather than speed.
okay. Okay, while Leo is collecting the leaves, I collect the aphids. And also, you see from season 1, the green onion plant was so tall, but I harvested it, so now it's so short like these. And you could use a pencil as a gardening tool to measure the green onion, and each pencil, at the end of the pencil, you cut. So each harvest should be as small as a pencil. So be on the lookout for aphids. They are bad for the plant and harms it. And never put tomato and cucumber in the same pot, because tomato and cucumber both need a lot of calcium, and don't put milk in there.
Wait, what happens if you do? Is it too much vitamin for, like, us? Because we can't have too much vitamin. That's why some vitamin gummies, as you know, especially like those little critters brand, they're like having a limit, like 2 gummies per day.
No, that doesn't apply on plants, except for about water. And remember, if you put too much water in one plant, then the plant might die. So make sure to limit the water, just like limiting.
Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of like we drink so much water, and we're like, oh my god, I can't handle more. And they're like forcing you to drink more, and you're gonna like feel like you're gonna barf, Like you drink so much water. I recommend not trying. I think it's pretty much the same thing the plant feels, except the plant dies. R.I.P. plant. That's sad.
Okay, so now back to why you shouldn't put cucumber and tomato in the same place. They both need a lot of calcium. Don't put milk in there because the soil already has calcium. But cucumber takes up more calcium than it needs, so then the tomato doesn't get any calcium, and the tomato will become sick. But here we have it in different pots, so that means it's good.
Wait, so if tomatoes are sick, do they die out or something? Or
no, they have less protein.
Oh, so like when you eat them, they have less protein, or they have less protein, so they can't grow that normally,
When you eat them, they have less protein molecules.
Oh.
Guys, come here to try these leaves. Here we can use leaves as fertilizer. And you see here.
Guys, so there is very short plants here. He cut them down. They used to be pretty tall. But that is called harvesting. Harvesting is basically when you, trim down the plants because it's just gonna grow so tall. I'm not sure if we have to harvest those because those things are already growing insane on over those fences. But harvesting, if you don't harvest, what my dad told me is that probably it'll just lose its seed and then it'll grow a new seed for a long time.
No, it'll just lose its fruit, so then the seeds fall out and then into a different soil, and it makes a new plant. But buds and the fruits have a similar job, but it's not exactly the same. The bud is for protecting the baby leaves, and and the fruit is for protecting the new seeds.
Wait, I have a question. So, plants have blood?
Plants don't have blood.
Oh, what did he say? Like, he said blood, right? I didn't say blood.
Okay,
what did he say?
I said, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, but just repeat what you said because I didn't really understand.
All right, guys, can we wrap it up for today?
No.
It's over 10 minutes.
No.
Nope.
I'm afraid this video is too long to upload.
So, are you sure some videos are like 1 hour? And it was like a 12-hour video?
Okay, so now that's enough aphid collecting and talking. Here are dried leaves. You use them as fertilizer.
Wait, does this need more fertilizer? I'll put them in there.
And also, don't forget to water your plants. I kind of forgot to water my plants today.
Okay, so plants, you need to water them a lot and give them a lot of sunlight.
Yeah,
And make sure they have oxygen because you don't want to like add like air-proof stuff. Like they won't give them
They
plants
don't
any
need
air.
oxygen. They can
Oh.
produce their own oxygen, but they need carbon dioxide.
Oh that's what I meant.
So don't just like breathe into a plant because some people might think it's weird. Like here, there's some chlorophyll.
It's okay to actually, rather, I think it's okay to breathe into the plants because it doesn't matter when they think you're weird. Just like when I literally use my bus card and pretend it's a phone, and I have an Orca card, which is very weird because everyone, like 2 people in a row, they're like, "Dude, this is not a phone. This is not a camera. This is not." And then it's just like gets disturbing. And trust me, I don't like it.
Okay, do you want to say bye-bye to your audience for today? It's getting dark.
And don't forget to water your plants. Plants like water straight after you fertilize them. So just don't forget to get out the watering can.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Say
Plants
bye-bye
need
to
water.
audience.
Bye-bye.
And the more they
See
grow,
you next
Yeah,
time.
we'll see you next time in the next video. Probably in season. Yeah. Are we gonna last till season 4 and stuff?
We will see. Okay, bye.
we'll see.
I hope we last.
Thank you
but-
for watching.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Share and comment.
Yeah.